Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video is part 2 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the Contacts feature in the VoxSMS web application. From the VoxSMS dashboard, click on Contacts. This will drop down two different options, Contacts and Lists. Click on Contacts. From here, you can choose to import your contacts or add a new contact. To import your contacts, you could either select Upload File or Copy-Paste. Let's take a look at the Upload File option. In the parentheses next to Upload File, you can view a CSV sample file that you could download as a reference. To create a CSV file yourself, follow the format in the sample file. You could use LibreOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or a similar spreadsheet application to create your CSV file. In this video, we'll use LibreOffice Calc. In the A column, enter the full names of your contacts. In the B column, type in the phone numbers. You can also type in the email addresses in the C column, but we're going to leave it blank as this is optional. Once you're done entering the values, hover over the File tab in the upper left corner. Click on Save As. This will open the Save As dialog box. From the drop-down, change the file type to CSV. It will ask you to confirm that you want to save it as a CSV file. Click on Use Text CSV Format to confirm. You can also check the option to skip the first line of the import. Since our CSV file does have contact information on the first line, we will not select this option in this video. As an alternative method, you can copy and paste text. In this example, we'll copy and paste from LibreOffice Writer. With this method, the text has to be in the following order: the full name, the phone number, and the email address. Each value needs to be separated by a comma, and each needs to be on their own line. If you want to add a single contact, the New Contact button is a useful option. Click on New Contact, then fill out the full name and phone number of your new contact. The email address is optional. When you're done, select Add Contact. You can also search for your contacts by entering their full name in the search bar. Hover over Action if you want to either send a message to this contact or you want to delete this contact. If you wish to permanently delete all of your contacts, select the gear icon in the top right corner. It will ask you if you want to delete all your contacts. Select Delete All Contacts to confirm this. Congratulations! You've now completed the contacts portion of VoxSMS. Our next video will demonstrate the contact list features of VoxSMS. Make sure you subscribe for more guides with Voxtelesys as we're continually adding new content.